Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I will talk about ChatGPT and JavaScript. We will ask some question to ChatGPT, write some code for JavaScript. Then we will copy that code and we will paste it to any editor like Visual Studio Code. Then we will run it. Let's see how JavaScript works and how we will ask the question to ChatGPT and ChatGPT give the answer to us. So as you know, ChatGPT is a chatting bot which is introduced by OpenAI. So let's go to the computer screen. Then I will show you how to ask question to ChatGPT to writing JavaScript, and then we'll copy that code and paste it to any editor like Visual Studio Code. Then we'll run it how it works. So I believe this will be helpful for everybody. So let's go to the computer screen. I'll show you step-by-step process. Now I am at computer screen. I'll show you how ChatGPT write JavaScript code for yourself, and you can run those code in any editor and compile that. So those who are new in JavaScript, that ChatGPT will help you how to write the code, and you can implement that code too. In order to do that, you need a editor like Visual Studio Code, and also you need to sign up in ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI. You can go ChatGPT from here. You need to sign up, then log in. Then you will be able to get it over here like ChatGPT. You can ask any question over here. ChatGPT will give you the answer. So our first question will be, can you please write JavaScript variable code, then hit enter. ChatGPT is start writing the code for you. So we'll take the code from here and we'll take it to the Visual Studio Code. Then we'll run it. So here it is definitely you see multiple code written, code window. First with the var keyword, x equal to, it is assigning value, then let and const keyword and variable declaration, then assign value. Thereafter let keyword, it is without assigning value. Thereafter it did the array with variable. So you can do that too. So let's copy the first code, copy that, go to the Visual Studio Code and paste it over here. Also I'll take another code too. This one, copy this code and I'll paste it over here too. So these all three variable written by the ChatGPT. Now I'll do console.log. First I will do x, I'll print the x, then take the copy from here, console.log. I'll put second one is y, third one is g. So now we need to run, we need to save this file, save, then we can run from command line here, node, then script.js, hit enter. You see all are printed 5, 10 and 15. That means whatever ChatGPT code readed, it is perfectly works. Okay, let's go again ChatGPT, take the other code, let's say array declaration, copy this code and go to Visual Studio Code, paste it over here. So I am not changing anything, whatever array variable is written, I'll just run it. Let's see how it is printed. So file, save, and then also click run it from here. you see this 3 is first code, second code 1 2 3, it is also printed. This is the way you can take the code from ChatGPT and it is implement for you yourself. So this is the way you can learn JavaScript through ChatGPT. So again we'll go to ChatGPT and we'll ask, can you please write for loop for JavaScript. Let's see how it writes. So it is start writing. So it is writing. It is not only writing the for loop, it is also giving the example how it will work. Okay, I asked for the for loop example, that it could be enough for this one, the for loop example. Also it explain everything. It written array for loop, it written for each loop, and everything it has been written over here. And then array function it is created. So take the for loop from here and copy from ChatGPT and paste it here. So previous code, let's comment out the previous code here. This is the for loop example, it is given. So save it. And we can run it from here. You see for loop, it is 0 to 5. The 5 times it needs, start with 0, it's a 5 times it is iterated. Let's say if we put 10, let's say 10, it will iterate all the things 0 to 9. So let me clear the console. Now we can run it again. It did not save yet, that's why it is giving the previous result. Save it. Now run again. It is written 0 to 9. That means I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. That means it is written perfectly for our purpose. Also you can go for array for loop. So copy this code and paste it over here. This you see const array, variable declaration, array declaration, then it will go through the for loop example. So it will iterate. Let me comment out previous one. Now save it. Also you can run right now from the console. Clear the screen and then run it. You see 1 2 3 4 5 it is written. If you declare more array in over here, let's say 8, let's say 12, let's say 20. Now if I save it, then we can run it again. You see all are printed 1 2 3 4 5 8 12 20. That means ChatGPT will write the perfect code and you can just copy paste and you can use it for yourself, for your purpose, learning purpose or any development purpose or anything. You can use JavaScript, whatever uses, you can use that code in there. So in this way, ChatGPT can help you write the code for learning purpose or your work purpose. Any purpose, ChatGPT can write successfully code for you. I I believe those who are new in JavaScript learning, this will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.